Hi guys, welcome to this review. I will speak to you about the SDG30, the Technics Music Server. Technics, after reference class and high-end class, launch the G30 class, the ground class, in the middle of the reference and the high-end class. This product is a musical computer for 4,000 euros. In the front we have the power button with the LED status indicator. The status LED, this LED is the status of SSD, and the CD status LED that say if the CD reader is okay, and obviously the CD reader. On the back we have a LAN input and output. You have to connect this music server to a modem or router, because the LAN connection is needed for the right functioning of the musical server. We have also two USB output. The first one is only an audio output. The second one is a import and output USB. You have to connect the NAS, the external HD hard disk, and also pens or NAS to exchange data between these components and the music server. Here we have the SSD chamber. This is the SSD. Technics SSD is an Intel one. 500 GB is this size, and is one of the biggest size in the SSD nowadays. And obviously you have also the power input. Okay. This music server is not a CD reader, is only a music server. This CD reader is used to keep musical data from the CD and import these data to the SSD inside the music server. And this operation is controlled by software and internet software to control if in the tracks there are some error, and if there is an error caused by also some corrupted bit on the CD, the music server automatically compare the Technics file and keep the bits that the data need to make a right and a complete copy of the CD. And you have to connect the music server to the router, because there is no way for music server to function in other ways, because you need the smartphone or also a tablet to keep the right to control the SDG30. This is the menu, and to see the menu you have to connect the music server. In this case, obviously, there is no connection. And by this menu you can copy CD, import data from the USB input-output, and with this program you can also listen music by the music server, and you can connect the music server only with LAN. If you have, in fact, if you have the amplifier SU-G30, there is a LAN connection, but also a wireless connection into the amplifier, and you can listen the music streamer, the music server in streaming. And if you prefer, you can connect the SU-G30 with the USB output, audio output, and this USB is better than others USB in other PC. And inside we have a lot alimentation section, because every section is for a particular section of the music server. The weight is about 10 kilos, but I say to you that the case is about 6-7 kilos. And there is no Wi-Fi connection for the music server, the only LAN connection. And I think that this is any important lack in this music server, because not everyone can have in all rooms a LAN connection. And another thing is that a normal computer that you can assemble is more powerful than this one, and with a computer you can also see Blu-rays and DVDs. With this music server you can only listen music, and the price, in my opinion, is a little bit expensive. This is all for this review, and I see you goodbye to the next review. Bye bye.